Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace headlight assembly in 2017 Ford Focus. This is gonna apply to Ford Focus made from 2012 and all the way up to 2019. I am replacing my passenger side headlight, but it's gonna be the same procedure whether you're doing passenger side or driver's side. And first thing you need to do is open your hood so you can access your screws. And as you can see, there are two screws that needs to be removed in order to take out your headlight. So you have one screw right here and one on the bottom. And to remove those screws, I'm gonna be using flathead screwdriver. You can also use, it looks like this is gonna be like a Torx screw as well, and I'm assuming this might be Torx bit number 30, but it's easier if you have a bigger flathead screwdriver. You can just remove those. I'm gonna put that on the side, and there is another one right here. And now you can wiggle that headlight out. Okay. So there is a connector in the back of this headlight. I'm gonna remove that one as well. So there is just underneath is a tab that you need to push in and then pull it out. Okay, I have the old headlight assembly out. So now you see this connector there. It goes right here in the back of this headlight. And I'm gonna show you now here. So you just need a push on this little tab up, and that's how you release. You see underneath, you push it up, and that's how you release this connector. My new headlight assembly didn't come with the bulbs, so I'm gonna transfer those bulbs from old headlight to the new one. I transferred all the bulbs from the old headlight to this new one, so all of them are inside. I'm just gonna close this up now. And then I'm gonna install it back. So it is good idea when you have this plug out to clean it up, spray it with contact cleaner so it's nice and clean. And now I'm gonna first plug this in, make sure it clicks. Like that, needs to be aligned, and just push it all the way in until you hear a click. I'm gonna take this paper off. And I'm gonna align it now. Make sure it's properly aligned, fits nicely. And now I'll put those screws back inside. Remember, there are 2 screws. Use your flathead screwdriver to tighten those up. Just be gentle, you don't want to break this housing plastic. And brand new headlight is installed. And all the lights are on. And it's good to go. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.